Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Ah, you do? How many?
3.
Why so many?
Because my mommy says never depend on one source of income.
Reese, what's your favorite thing about Grandpa?
He forgets stuff.
Why is that good?
I asked twice. I get 2 cookies.
Who cooks the best at home?
Daddy.
Really?
When Daddy cooks, Mommy already orders food online. My daddy tried to cook dinner for Mommy last night.
Oh, really? What did he make?
He made the smoke alarm go off, and then we just ordered pizza.
Who tells the most secrets in your family?
Everyone.
Oh, really? Like what?
Mom hides chocolate, Dad hides receipts, and Grandma hides my candy from Mom.
Oh, my goodness.
Who makes simple things complicated?
Mom.
And how?
She asked 5 questions at the same time.
Who do you love more, Mummy or Daddy?
My boyfriend.
When you want something, who do you ask first?
Dad.
Why Dad?
He says yes.
Fast yes or slow yes?
Fast.
Does he check first?
No.
Then what happens?
Mom hears.
And then?
Yes becomes no.
So tell me, who is the funniest person here tonight?
You.
Oh, really? Why me?
Because you laugh at your own jokes.
So tell me, what's the biggest secret between Mom and Dad?
They whisper at night
Oh, really? About what?
about who's gonna say sorry first.
Stay awake at night?
He says, I'm not tired. Then in 2 minutes.
What happens if Dad forgets Valentine's Day flowers?
Mom smiles.
That's good, right?
No, that smile means Dad is in trouble later. In private.
Who lies the most at home?
Mom and Dad.
Both of them.
They say 5 more minutes, but it's always bedtime.
When Mom and Dad argue, who says sorry first?
Dad.
Oh, really? Why Dad?
Because Mom just waits.
Do your parents argue a lot?
Sometimes.
And who wins?
Mom.
Why?
Because in the end, it's always Dad's fault.
Did Dad ever send a secret message?
Yes.
What did it say?
He texted, is she still mad or can I come out?
Who has the most power in your house?
Dad.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He controls the Wi-Fi password.
Okay, last question.
Give me that! Mom snores, Dad sings in the shower, and Grandma fakes being asleep.
I didn't see that coming.
What does Dad call Mom in his phone?
I saw it yesterday.
Oh, tell us.
He saved her as budget controller.
Who are you scared of?
Mama,
Why?
she sees everything. She likes CCTV.
Who lies the most in your house?
Dad,
About what?
he says he's 5'10".
Huh?
How does your mom wake up in the morning?
A little angry.
Angry at who?
At the alarm, the mornings and everything, but not at us.
When mom says no, who do you run to?
Grandma.
But what if grandma says no?
Nope, that never happened.
What does your dad do when your mom says?
We need to talk.
He looks at his phone.
Oh yeah? What is he looking for on his phone?
If there's an emergency exit. Is mommy always happy at home?
No, Mommy yells.
She yells, what she say?
Now, pick up toys now!
And when the phone rings?
Hi, Celine.
Dad ever make the bed?
He tries sometimes.
Is mom happy with it?
No, he puts the 50 decorative pillows in the completely wrong order.
What is the first rule at home?
Don't make mom angry.
And the second rule?
Remember the first rule.
Angry sometimes.
Daddy.
What did Daddy do?
He talks back and wants to be the boss.
So Mom is the boss?
Yes, Daddy works for Mommy.
When Mummy and Daddy argue, whose team are you on?
I'm on Daddy's team.
Really? Why Daddy and not Mummy?
Because Mommy's the strong one. Daddy's the one who needs backup.
So Daddy never wins?
No. One time he thought he won, but Mommy said that's not how it happened.
So what does Daddy do then?
He says, okay, honey, that's just his special move.
So Daddy just surrenders?
Very respectfully. Daddy just needs emotional support.